Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to open disk management in Windows 10 PC. For this video, I will use total 6 methods and you can use either. So let me begin without any delay. First one method is search. For that, click on this one a start button or click on this one search box or search bar or search icon, whatever is available on your taskbar, and now type disk management. In the search results, click on this one create and format hard disk partitions. This will open disk management window on your Windows 10 PC. Next one method is through quick access menu. For that, right click on the start button and here you will find disk management. Click on this one entry. This will also open disk management window on your Windows 10 PC. Next one method is through run dialog box. For that, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard and here you need to type disk mgmt.msc. After that, click on this one OK button to open disk management on your Windows 10 PC. Next one method is through command prompt. For that, click on this one start button or click on this one search and then type cmd. In the search results, right click on this one command prompt entry, select here run as administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click on the yes button. In the prompt, you need to type disk mgmt.msc and after that press enter on the keyboard. This will open disk management window on your PC. I will put this one command in this video description, so in case you need it you can copy it from there. Next one method is through PowerShell. For that, click on this one start button, type here PowerShell. In the search results, right click on this one Windows PowerShell entry, select here run as administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click on the yes button. Now you need to enter the same command disk mgmt.msc. After that, press enter on the keyboard. This will also open disk management on your Windows 10 PC. Next one method is through desktop shortcut. For that, you need to create a desktop shortcut for disk management. For that, right click on the free space on the desktop, select here new and then click on this one shortcut option. In the type the location of the item, you need to copy and paste the same command disk mgmt.msc. After that, click on this one next button. Now name it disk management. After that, click on this one finish button. This will create a desktop shortcut of disk management. Double click on this one desktop shortcut to open it. In case you want to pin it, select it, right click on it and here you will find this one option pin to taskbar. This will pin the disk management option to the taskbar. By clicking on this one disk management, you can open disk management on your Windows 10 PC. That's all about this video. Bye.